SUAPP AIR AI Design Master Plan. Create a master plan with AIR, from a simple site boundary map to a complete design master plan in just 30 seconds. Whether it's office buildings, commercial projects, residential landscape, or floor plans, they can all be generated in one click. First, import the site boundary map into SUAPP AIR. Select the style Link CV2. Under Architecture, choose Color Plan. Then enter your prompt. The prompt can be divided into 5 parts. Overall principle, design components, layout features, annotations, and visual style. First, define the overall principle. Design strictly within the site boundary. Next, describe the design components, such as building functions. Then define the layout features, followed by the annotations. Finally, specify the color plan style and palette. Once everything is set, click Create. In about 30 seconds, your design master plan is generated. Method 2. Enter the same prompt in the Detail input box. Enable creative editing, and select a preset. Click Create, and you'll get a similar result. Using prompts in this format, you can generate any master plan design you want. Give it a try.